Hi, my name is Lara Carr and I'm a PhD candidate at Royal Holloway University of London. I'm interested in investigating how we process non-emotional internal states like hunger, temperature, and pain in both oneself and in other people. In oneself, we can explore how precisely an individual can measure these internal bodily signals, typically referred to as interoceptive accuracy, and we can also measure the amount of time an individual spends thinking about these signals, referred to as interoceptive attention. Both interoceptive accuracy and attention appear closely related to our ability to identify and explain our emotions. There has also been a lot of research on how we process emotions in others, which has demonstrated that if we struggle to recognize and identify our own emotions, we may also have a deficit in the processing of emotions in others. And this has been demonstrated across various domains, including attention, memory, and appraisals. The processing of emotions also changes throughout adolescence, adulthood, and older age. However, research is yet to investigate how we process others' non-emotional internal states. Here, in a sample spanning from adolescence to older age, we've investigated the processing of interoceptive states in our own bodies and how we interpret these same states in others. We tested a total of 330 participants, ranging in age from 16 to 90. All participants completed the IAS as a measure of self-reported interoceptive accuracy and the IATS as a measure of interoceptive attention. Interpretation of non-emotional state displays was assessed with a novel task. Participants used static stimuli depicting 6 actors portraying 8 interoceptive states. Participants were presented with 2 labels and required to select the label that best fits the image. One was always an action label and one was always an interoceptive label. So for example, cold, the 2 labels might be feeling cold and rubbing arms. What we found was that age was unrelated to score on the IAS, but negatively related to score on the IATS, such that as age increased, individuals reported paying less attention to their internal bodily signals. These same correlation analyses revealed that age was also negatively associated with propensity score. Again, as age increased, propensity to assign an interoceptive label decreased. Next, correlational analyses revealed a positive association between the IAS and propensity to assign an interoceptive label. In that, as participants reported increased accuracy perceiving their internal signals, they had a higher propensity towards selecting interoceptive labels. We also found a positive association between the IATS and propensity score, but this was only at a trend level. I hope that you have found this interesting, and I would love to hear your thoughts or answer any questions that you might have.